my first question is, what are the rules, or how do they stand, like the transgender, for example, not transgender, the female, in Islam, what do they stand? Why do they stand? Who are born from, Allah created them with two genitals,
There is nothing called she male or he she. There is something called خنثى مشكل. Okay? What you're talking about is completely different matter. So what you're talking about, if a male chose to do breast transplant to appear as a she, so he is created here. Biologically, it is he. Chromosomes, he. Testosterone, not estrogen. It's he. But they do breast transplantation, okay? Or they inject hormones so that they will soften their tones and appear as a female. In Islam, this is absolutely haram. Or a female who pretends to be a male. In Islam, that is absolutely haram. Changing the gender in Islam is absolutely haram. What about a person who may be born with the two genitals, the hermaphrodite, or al-khuntha al-mushkil? Such person is Muslim, and if he or she is righteous and they offer their prayers and they do what they're needed, they may be better than myself, better than any of us, because they are created this way, and as they grow up, they get to choose. And biologically, they will study their hormonal system. And if they're closer to be a female or a male, based on that, they will undergo a surgery. Or if they choose to live with the two genitals, but this is very rare, versus what you're talking about. So a person who's created a male is a male. A person who's created a female is a female. A person who's created with the two genitals, that would not affect their righteousness or their belief. What will affect if the person chooses to change their gender? In Islam, that is haram. Thank you.